Welcome. In this video I will tell you about terminating decimal fraction and non-terminating decimal fraction. In the end I will show you a question as you people are watching on thumbnail, how to find rational number between two fractions. So let us move towards our today's lecture. Before moving towards our lecture, it is request to you please subscribe our channel. Let's start today's topic. Today's topic is terminating decimal fraction. A decimal fraction in which there are finite number of digits in its decimal part are called terminating decimal fraction. As it is obvious from the heading that it is terminating. Terminating means it will finish in some way. So that fraction which finish after 1 or 2 or 3 digits is called terminating decimal fraction. Look at example given 2 by 5. By solving this we get 0.4 in decimal form. And 3 by 8, by solving this we get 0.375. This is also a terminating decimal fraction because decimal is terminated. Second definition, recurring and non-terminating decimal fractions. As it is obvious that this decimal fraction will be that fraction which will not terminate at any point, it will continue. Okay, let's see this decimal fraction in example 2 by 9. By solving this we get 0.2222 continuing. And 4 by 11, by solving this we get 0.363636 up to so on. It shows that it is not necessary that one number will repeat. A pair of number, triple number, 4 number can also repeat. First example only 2 is repeating. In second example 363636 is repeating. So this is called recurring or non-terminating decimal fraction. Okay. Now in the end I have a question for you. The question is that express following recurring decimal as the rational number p by q, where p and q you know integers and q is not equal to 0. This is definition of rational number. Question is given 0.5 bar. Bar on 5 tells us that 5 is repeating so many times, continuously repeating. Okay. Let's move towards a solution. As 5 is repeating, so we can get x is equal to 0.555 up to so on. Okay. As one digit only 5 is repeating, so we will multiply both sides by 10. If 2 digits repeating, then we will multiply by 100. If 3 digits were repeating, then we will multiply by 1000 up to so on. How many digits repeat? Here 1 digit repeat, so 1 0. 2 digit repeat, there will be 2 0. 3 digits repeat, there will be 3 0 and up to so on. So after multiplying by 10 we get 10x equal to 5.555 up to so on. By solving the equation we get 10x equal to 5 plus 0.55 up to so on. This can be written as, okay. Then this 0.555 is x as we have supposed earlier. So this will become 10x equal to 5 plus x. By taking x values on the one side, left hand side, we get 10x minus x is equal to 5. We get 9x equal to 5. From here we get x equal to 5 by 9, which is a rational number. And this is the question you were looking in the thumbnail also. Give a rational number between 3 by 4 and 5 by 9. How we can find a rational number between two fractions? There is a method. There is a formula. 1 by 2 into. Put into these two fractions and add them. Look at that. 1 by 2 into 3 by 4 plus 5 by 9. Taking LCM, we get 36 as LCM, and 36 is divided by 4, we get 9. It is multiplied by 3, we get 27. plus 36 is divided by 9, we get 4. It is multiplied by 5, we get 20. So from here we get 1 by 2 multiply 47 by 36, which gave us 47 by 72. This is the method to find a rational number between two fractions.